This is our 1988 Mustang Foxbody here at Skyway Classics. We call this bad boy the Scarlet Witch, just because she's got so much that's been done to her, including a supercharger on that 5.0-liter engine. So outwardly, what you'd expect, she looks good. She's got her quirks. Paint's probably, out of 10, most likely a 6, maybe a 5. But she is what she is, man. This is definitely, if you're looking for some power, this is the car for you, because this thing is massive. It's really fun to drive. So let's take a peek on the inside. All right, interior wise, pretty standard. Door panels are in good shape. Got the gray cloth in the front as well as the back. Take a seat here. Carpeting's in good condition, both the driver and passenger side, as well as the dash. No cracks really. Doesn't look like the sun has done any warping or cracking to the plastic. I love this ledge. You can just put whatever you want here. It's great. But all in all, solid interior. So let's take it for a spin, see how she drives. All right, we got Al driving here on the open road. Just want to see you guys how much power this thing has. Woo! We're having a little bit too much fun here at Skyway Classics. But as you can see, this thing runs like a banshee. Absolutely bat out of hell. It is definitely the Scarlet Witch for a reason.
It's a scary ride, baby, I gotta tell you.
It's a lot of fun. So we'll go ahead and turn around and put on the lift for you guys. All right, now that we got her up in the air, let's take a peek underneath. It's a pretty nice specimen. No rust. Car's been a Florida car, if I'm not mistaken, pretty much its whole life. Everything's in good condition. Back rotors. Exhaust as well. So let's get kind of a turtle eye view of it. Paint's all right. I mean, the motor is the real draw of this car. That 5.0 Supercharger is just a monster. But you need a good body, a good platform. And this Foxbody is definitely one of them. No rust. Really fun to drive. All in all, very solid, very fun. All right, here she is in all her beauty. Thing is massive. 5-liter supercharged, and boy does this thing scream. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and crank her up for us. So you guys can see. Nice strong start. Runs great. Belts are moving nice. Doesn't burn any oil. Fantastic.